YouTube. What is good, my beautiful people? So today I'm out with a specific mission, and that's throw this drone up in the air and show y'all what kind of content you can do with motovlogging. I know some of y'all like, yo, why would you get a drone? Sometimes the world look different from above, so I want to show y'all what I'm talking about. And then I got a lot of trips planned, and I know I'm gonna need a drone, because sometimes, man, just getting the surface level view isn't enough. You gotta get the full picture. And so that's what I plan to do with some of my content. So I'm gonna go to my spot where I really like to throw this thing up. And actually, I think I've taken it with all my drone videos that I've done. I think I filmed this spot just because, I don't know, it's just nice. There's water, and I feel like there's less interruptions, and I can get a good line of sight. So that's where we're gonna head out to this little spot in Saginaw, man, by the river, and throw this drone up, and let's see what this content look like. Let's go! Down towards you, it takes off. Let's get the recording going. All right, so we're recording. All right, y'all. So one thing for sure is I want to be careful. There's cables out there. I got to be real careful of those. But let's get some. And then my battery says I have 38 minutes of flight time. Look at me. First thing I do when I get a drone, take it above the water. I want to kind of raise it up though, because I don't trust it down here. So, and I want to get a good line of sight of it. There's a bee about to go on my bag. So, one thing's for sure is I can't see it, but oh, there it is. Okay. So, I just really want to do a range test on this thing and see. Yeah. We push way out there, y'all. So check me out. 485 meters. Check out that footage, y'all. I made sure I was high enough that I wasn't over any power lines. Let's tilt the camera down a little bit. So there's one of the bridges I just passed on the way in. And we are 1,200 meters out, y'all. Beautiful. See the power lines? That's why I'm staying up. I'm just trying to see if I can push this to 2,000 meters without my signal breaking up. That's gonna be wild. I really want to get to that infrastructure right there. Oh man, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. I really want to get to this infrastructure right here. And testing out this zoom is amazing. I'm gonna kind of like veer it towards that and zoom out. Show y'all what we're looking like. A little nervous, you know. First time getting this thing in the air, and I'm pushing it over water, over 2,000 meters, and no breakups, no distortion, nothing. And we are above it, y'all. This is crazy. My Mini 2 and my Mini 3 Never made this trip. And I love how this thing can go around the subject and not have any issues. Check that out, y'all. That is freaking beautiful. Holy smokes. And I am way, way in the back. There's a little signal interference, but I still have great visibility. But I'm actually flying it back. The fact that I was able to pivot around that this far away, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it is way down there. It is way, way, way down there. So now we'll bring her back. There's that fishing boat that just passed me. So dope. So dope. A lot of big birds though, so I hope they don't mess with the little baby Mini 5 Pro, because it's tiny. I've only had one instance where a bird kind of got curious with one of my drones, but there it is. No, it's not. That's a bird. I keep thinking I see the drone. I hear it now. I finally hear it. Should be any second. The flicker of the sun or what? But it has some real bright flashing lights. There it is, y'all. The DJI Mini 5 Pro. So right now, it can sense me around it. It does not like me around it. There we go. So it's not bugging right now. Oh. I don't know what this thing is looking at. Oh. Here we go. It's not gonna like me being this close. Let's see. Come on. Right in the hand. Yo. Yo, yo, yo. Look at y'all. You can see me in this thing. And let me see if I can zoom out. I am zoomed out. But look at the quality of this drone. Look, y'all. 1-inch sensor. I can tell just by looking at this picture right here. Look at all the smudges on my visor. Yeah, the quality of this is nice, man. I feel like DJI should sponsor me because I got like 3 of y'all products on me right now. As you see, I got the Osmos, I got the DJI Action 5 Pro, and then inside I got the Osmos Pocket 3. Man, yo, this is, whoo, aircraft pitch too long, but yeah, man. So this was just a quick video of showing y'all the footage of how I use this drone and how I plan to use it. Now, to fold this up, let me stop the video. I'll tell you what, this drone is warm. So you can kill the video. You have to click it twice. Same thing with the battery, or if you fold it in. So we fold these in, it will turn off. Aircraft will power off in 5 seconds. Love that.
Love that. All right, there was a bee playing around in here. Let me make sure he didn't try to make a home. All right, we in business. Throw the protector on. It would help if we put it on the right way. So one thing's for sure is you want to make sure your propellers are in there. Nice and tidy. And we want to make sure that's in there. Yeah, that's all she wrote, y'all. That is all she wrote. Then you take her, drop her in there. I'm gonna go flat, 'cause that's what I did on the way here. Fold these up. I heard a bee. He was coming after me. Oh, want to take these off. Put that in there. Take this one off. Set it inside. Put the action in there, or the Osmos Pocket 3. Boom. And we are in business, y'all. And that's the shot. And then we throw her up in the bag. And we on to the next one. Yeah, y'all. That footage right there, fire.